Let's confirm the stable release of Android 16 today, June 10th. That means the Pixel users will be able to get the Android 16 in its stable form, no more beta form. Google announced this is happening via Android developer account on X. You can see the screenshot embedded alongside with the nice Android animation at the company. The company has been testing Android 16 for 6 months now. It is confirmed that it will launch earlier than usual. This release does come at the time that the June 2025 feature drop is expected, so there's plenty to look forward to. It will not come with the latest Google new Material 3 Expressive design to the table. That change is coming later this year, so the change is morely expected by many won't include it. The advanced protection mode is expected in order to Google to boost the security of Android 16. Google will place all security options under one menu and not to mention add some new information. More different features are expected later this year. But it's interesting to see Google launch on the same day when Apple announced iOS 26 and macOS 26.